Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to view your Zelle transaction history so you can see money you've sent, received, or scheduled. To get started, open your bank's mobile app or go to your bank's website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, go to the Pay and Transfer section or look for Zelle in the menu. Tap on Zelle to open the Zelle dashboard. From there, select Activity, History, or Transactions depending on how your bank labels it. You'll now see a list of your Zelle transactions, including payments you've sent, payments you've received, and any scheduled or recurring payments. Each transaction usually shows the date, amount, recipient or sender, and payment status. You can tap on any transaction to view more details. Some banks also allow you to scroll back to see older payments or filter transactions by date. If you're using the standalone Zelle app instead of your bank's app, open the Zelle app, sign in, tap Activity, and you'll see your full Zelle payment history there as well. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you view your Zelle transaction history, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.